This is part 2 of our drive through La Luz, New Mexico. Part 2, we're up in Laborcita Canyon. Going up these treacherous roads. No, they're not too bad. They're bumpy. As long as you have a good 4x4, it's not really an issue. But I wouldn't want to do it in a regular vehicle. People do it. I mean, obviously, if you look straight ahead, you see those small vehicles people own. They do it all the time, but in part 1, I was talking about how I used to drive for UPS, and one time when I was up here, I did get my UPS truck stuck up here, and I'll show you. We're almost there. It had snowed. I think it was in November. It had snowed, and then a few days later, it rained really good, and these roads up here were crazy insane. But I think it was like right about here where I got stuck. Like right around this spot is where I got stuck. And they had to call a wrecker to get me out. Yeah, just make sure you have a good. If you come up this road, it's called Rolling Hills Road in Laborcita Canyon, which is part of La Luz, New Mexico. It's a rough road. I guess you could get lost out here, but after a while, if you've driven up here a few times, you kind of learn your way around. There's a lot of roads up here. I don't think we're gonna go down every one on this. I don't think we're gonna go down every road on this trip. We may another time. But like I was saying in part 1, the day prior, which was yesterday, I was gonna try to film up here, but it started raining really, really good, so I wasn't able to do the filming yesterday. But we're here now. Yeah, this right here has gotten way bumpier since the last time I drove up here. I don't know how often they grade these roads, but I think this one right here probably needs it pretty soon. See all these big old ruts in the road. It is kind of pretty up here though. Let's see, we could go left or we could go right. Since we're up here, I think I'm gonna go right. And there's more areas this way. So this is Rolling Hills Road and Deer Tracks Road. Normally, if it was really dry, which it is kind of dry, this road would be a little bit dusty, or quite dusty, but like I said, it rained yesterday, so it kind of made the roads a little moist. It's a new house up here that they're building on the right. We do got some more El Paso videos coming up, but I think before we do El Paso again, I think we're gonna do Las Cruces, because we have gotten a lot of Las Cruces requests lately. There's just there's so many areas to see out here that it could keep you pretty busy getting footage out here. So this is a turnaround right here. So right there, that sign's kind of new. I don't want to, it says private property. I don't want to go over there, but it is interesting going that way. I go there quite a bit, especially, delivering for Amazon. But if I'm not, I guess if I'm not delivering, I don't really want to go that way. I don't want to get shot. I have my radio on in the cab kind of low. I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I try to keep it low because I don't want to get no copyright strikes. Or not copyright strikes. Well, I don't want that, but I don't want no copyright on the video. Because I have a DJ channel, and I have plenty of copyright on that one. So I know how that goes with the copyright. It's just kind of like they limit your video reach. So you got to kind of watch that. So we'll probably just go straight down this road and probably go back out to the main road. And then I think we might go up that other road I wanted to go up here. I don't think we'll get all of Laborcita Canyon right now, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a taste of what it's like up here. For anyone that's never been up here or been to La Luz, New Mexico. It's kind of interesting. You see those rock, I don't know what they are, fortified rock dam back here. It's crazy because those didn't just form by themselves. They someone had to actually build those. When because whenever we go out to Vegas, we go through Hoover Dam. That whole Hoover Dam area amazes me. How they ever built that back in the when was it, the 1940s, 50s that they built that dam? I think it was like the 1940s. I can't remember exactly what year. That's just amazing. Okay, once we get to this road up here, I think we'll end part 2. And then we'll move on to part 3 on the next one. Coming up. Because we're almost up to the road. But people live out here. If you see the little roads that go to the right and left, those are people's properties. All right, we're going to end part 2. Actually, you know what? Let's keep it going a ways. We've got a little extra ways to go. I could go right. I think I'm going to save that for another video. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and liked the videos. I'm going to try to get these more regularly. Sometimes I miss a week or so. But I just want to keep these going. I love doing them. I hope you guys enjoy watching them. I want to get out all over, like to Phoenix, LA, and do more of these. But this road that we're on, this is called Cottonwood. It's not the main road that we were on earlier. That's coming up here in a minute. I think once we get to Laborcita Canyon Road, I think we'll end the video and start over on part 3. But okay, everybody, that's it for part 2. Thank you guys for checking it out. Make sure you guys look out for part 3. Coming up, we're going to be going down Laborcita Canyon Road. And we will see you soon. Goodbye.